Hello everyone, welcome back to Elizabeth Collections YouTube channel, and for this video, I am excited to share with you my unboxing and review of this beautiful Dossier Fragrances. Dossier creates luxury scents crafted in Grasse, France. All the fragrances are vegan and cruelty-free, and the prices are 70 to 90% less than the designer brands. Dossier never cut corners, just the markups necessary to offer the highest quality products for less. With every bottle of Dossier purchased, we are guaranteed to receive the highest quality perfume sourced from Grasse, France, the perfume capital of the world. Dossier follows strict US and EU cosmetic safety recommendations to ensure all their products are formulated using ethical and sustainable practices and are sourced from the highest quality ingredients. Dossier fragrances are 100% non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, eco-friendly, and we can indulge with these guilt-free. Now that we know a little bit more about Dossier, join me as I unbox these beautiful fragrances. Here is the box. It is sent from the Netherlands. We have one box here, another one over here. There is one last box, the third box right here. Let's grab the first box. So the box looks like this one, nicely packaged. And then at the back, we have some details here. There you go. It says the name of the perfume and in different languages. It says that it is 50 ml. Also right there, which is 1.7 fluid ounce. The ingredients is also written here in different languages. And it says it's made in France. On this side, it says the name of the perfume, and then it also states perhaps this is the manufacturing date. Let's open it. Wow, what a lovely color. And here it reads, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Here we see a card for the Floral Marshmallow perfume. The notes are top notes marshmallow, neroli, bergamot. Middle notes is orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, orris, and base notes is amber, vanilla, and musk. They say thank you, and our mission is to deliver the highest quality luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for giving us a try. Let's check out the perfume bottle. I love this minimalistic design. And the bottle is clear so we can see the color of the juice. If I remove it, you will see it clearly. For this one, which is the Floral Marshmallow, the liquid looks a little bit orangey. The layout of the bottle is simple. At the top left here, we have eau de parfum in 5 different languages. We see a little bigger one here for the scent, which is Floral Marshmallow for this bottle. And it says here, parfum. And then at the lower left, it says Dossier. And then here, we can see the distributed by the address in New York and then made in France. So that is how the bottle looks like. Let's check out the bottom. That's how it looks at the bottom. Some more details, very similar to the one that we have already talked about. And the cap, that's just nice silver cap. No other markings, and I like that it is just so simple yet chic. Opening the cap now. Oh wow, you know what? I noticed right off the bat, that's magnetic. For the price that you're paying for this, and then you're getting a bottle cap like this. Let's check out the atomizer. So that is a very simple atomizer. Let's do the first spritz for this one. Wow. That one is really giving a well spread out sprit or spray, and I now can smell the perfume. It is really awesome. Love at first sniff. The floral marshmallow is inspired by Kilian's Love Don't Be Shy, a very popular perfume, and they even say that it's Rihanna's favorite perfume. Let's check out the perfume on the second box. Alright, so this one is the Ambery Saffron. And the top notes will be saffron, orange, blossom. Middle notes is jasmine, plum, and cedarwood, with a base notes of oak moss, fir balsam, and amber. Oh, all right. So this one is a little different than the first one that we unboxed. As you see, the font color is different, and the juice itself is clearer than the first perfume that we unboxed today. Ambery Saffron is inspired by the infamous Baccarat Rouge 540, that unisex scent that smells so luxurious and a cult favorite for fragrance lovers. Let's check it out. Oof. I cannot get enough of that beautiful spritz. Really nice atomizer. Oh my goodness, that smells so amazing. I had Baccarat Rouge 540 and I can really confirm that this is the closest out of all of the inspired perfumes that I have tried before. More wearable. You know what? I am going to test all of these perfumes one by one on a daily basis. Right now, we're doing the unboxing, doing the first spray, and I am going to try to wear them all day and then go back to you at the end of this video to let you know my thoughts about them, on how long they are wearing, if they stay longer on the skin or on the clothes, and what do I think about the projection, the sillage, and all that. This third perfume right here is something that I asked Dossier to send me because I am so curious. I truly wanted to try it. So they call it Musky Green Tea, inspired by the infamous and the unisex Creed Silver Mountain Water. Musky green tea's top notes will be green tea, bergamot, mandarin. Middle notes are petitgrain, neroli, blackcurrant, and base notes are musk, sandalwood, and orris. Let's check out the bottle. Wow, another clear juice. I'm wondering if this is more clear than... Yes, you know what? The musky green tea has a more clear juice than the Ambery Saffron. All right, let's try the atomizer. Okay. Oh my gosh, one word to describe this one is clean. That's the reason why I chose this one, because this one is sweet. This one is something that could work for date nights and special events, but this one is something that you can wear on those special occasions wherein you would like to appear as a non-intimidating, sophisticated, and intelligent person. I am going to try all of them one by one. I spent an entire week to test all of these 3 beautiful Dossier fragrances. So let's start by talking about these Floral Marshmallow. Floral Marshmallow truly smells like Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian. It is sensual, innocent yet playful. Floral Marshmallow delivers an exquisite blend of vibrant florals and edible notes. I tested this at work and oh my, colleagues loved it so much. They say that, oh, you truly smell so sweet, like a marshmallow. On my skin, which lasted about 3 to 5 hours, but it lasted longer on my clothes that day for about 5 to 8 hours until I cannot smell it anymore, and then I topped up a little bit. But my coworkers say that they can still smell the perfume even when I already left the room. So that is quite a good sillage and projection. This is also the perfume that I used when I went to Gränna here in Jönköping, Sweden. It is a place where 𝒾𝑔𝑽 is popularly made, and I visited some beautiful spots there too, especially the Jula Hotel, stunning and has a fantastic view. I sprayed it there, and all the other customers were saying, "Oh, what was that? What was your perfume? It is so beautiful." So I had to share the link to them, so if they wanted to, then they can purchase this perfume. With a scorching heat of saffron, Ambery saffron opens up with a bang. Often avoided in perfumery because of its intensity, the warm temper of saffron is balanced with sizzling cedarwood and sultry amber. With depth and an intoxicating spice that you won't find anywhere else, Ambery saffron is full of mystery, delivering on warmth and unique texture. Like what I said when I first sniffed this fragrance, that it truly embodies the fragrance of Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Kurkdjian, and without the hefty price tag. I could say that the projection and sillage of this one is 10 out of 10. I sprayed this in the morning on my way to work while I was in the car, and during the entire 9 hours, of course with a 1 hour break, it is still there and everybody can still smell it. Perfect projection, good sillage, and people are inspired about this perfume, even ask me what it is. And those people at work who are not really fragrance lovers was so curious about it, and then I have to tell them about this perfume. I could really say that this is my top favorite among these 3 perfumes, and it's a bestseller for a reason. And lastly, this unisex perfume that is inspired from Silver Mountain Water by Creed. This will remind you of a picnic on a grass under a tree. Musky green tea opens on a crisp and invigorating note combined with an exhilarating splash of green tea, neroli, petitgrain, and black currant. This burst of unexpected freshness creates a cooling effect that is incredibly long-lasting. Pair that with hints of clean muskiness and rough sandalwood, and this is a scent that has no problem standing all on its own. Pure and bright musky green tea evokes the crispiness of an invigorating breeze of fresh mountainous air and the coolness of sparkling streams in the Swiss Alps. This has been my scent of the day for 3 days, and it is spectacular. On one of the days that I was testing it, I forgot to spray it at home, so I had to spray it in the car. And when I come home, the car is smelling like this musky green tea up to the next day. It is a beautiful scent that lasted 5 to 6 hours on my skin and 7 to 8 hours on my clothes. I was even stopped on the street when I was walking, and just a random stranger stopped me and asked me what I'm wearing, and they said that it reminds them of something really truly clean. And of course I had to mention that I am wearing this musky green tea by Dossier, and I even showed the bottle, and that person found it truly interesting. There you have it, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, sharing with you the unboxing and my thoughts about these beautiful fragrances from Dossier. Would I buy it if it's not sent to me? Definitely yes. I am happy that they are finally available in Europe on their website dossier.eu, and they have a wide variety of fragrances for men, women, and unisex fragrances too, for fragrances inspired by popular, designer, and niche perfumes. And they also have original perfumes now, which I cannot wait to try. Thank you so much, Dossier, for these beautiful fragrances. And so let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, have you tried it, or which one are you interested in picking. If you have any questions, I will answer them on the comment section, and if you wanted to know more about these products, you can check out my description. See you in my next video.